Text behind person effect, a CapCut tutorial. First and foremost, select a video and from there tap on the text icon and tap on add text. Here for an example, I'll be typing hike and you can arrange the style, font, effect, animation and bubble from here, but just for an example I'm keeping it simple. Drag the text along the video until you want the end of it, and once you do that, tap on the animation icon and from there tap on fade in and drag it to 2 seconds. Now tap in the out option. Now tap on fade out and make sure to drag it a little longer than the fade in option. Here you can see it is in 2.5 seconds. Now it should see something like this. Now export the video. Then tap on done. Here tap on new project and select the video with the text. Now again tap on overlay and tap on add overlay and select the video without the text. Choose the cutout option and tap on the second video and tap on cutout once again and tap on remove background. Once you remove the background, try to arrange it according to the first person video, and if you play it will look something like this. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.